Now, a few words from our sponsors.
Doritos.
They're good.
Mountain Dew.
Delicious.
McDonald's.
I'm loving it.
Pepsi. One Direction.
Yeah.
Harry Styles.
Yeah.
Niall Horan.
Yeah.
Naughty Boy.
No.
Hi, we're TF4, the Fiery Four. So this week we have science, and so for this week we're gonna be trying to make a chicken noise with a cup, some
Scissors, a nail, paper towel, and some water.
and string. And for the paper, it should be like about the size, about maybe like $1 bill or something. So that's what we're gonna do. So first step was, I'm reading off of here, to cut a about 20 inches or 40 centimeters piece of yarn, which we have here. Already cut it. And the second step was to ask an adult to use a nail carefully to punch a hole in the center from the bottom of the cup, which we did just there. And then you tie one end of the yarn that you cut out to the middle of the paper clip. Okay. I think that's okay. That's good, fine. It's good. The phone closed. And then you push the other end of the yarn through the hole and in the cup and pull it through so that the paper clip is on top of the bottom of the cup, if you're able to do that.
Now that you have the paper clip at the top of the cup, we shall continue with our instructions.
Which I will get. So then, get your piece of paper towel that's the size of a $1 bill. So now that we have, show Kayla, our paper towel that is the size of about a $1 bill or a bill, whatever, money, and then you damp it in water. Yep. It's time to make chicken noises. So then what you're going to do is hold the cup firmly in your hand. And then you're going to wrap the damp paper towel around the string. And then pull down in short jerks.
Okay, good.
I think
yeah, this is how chicken sounds like. I'm not sure.
So, and then it also says, pull down short jerks so that the paper towel lightly slides along the string. If all goes well, you'll hear a chicken. Put it right here.
This is translating to Mrs. Chicken. Where are you?
Those are the main sounds of a chicken.
This is how you
Getting calls.
Love me.
Chicken Little.
But yeah, that was our
That's our science experiment,
chicken
you guys.
noise maker.
This is buying chicken.
This is our science experiment. Hopefully we shall get noticed by a chicken.
Okay, so
Like, subscribe, and
Be a chicken.
chicken. This is buying chicken.